How can I increase the amount of fat in my diet? We get this one a lot.
And I love this question because it's an important question to ask. When you're eating keto, sometimes it really can be a struggle to get your fat high enough. So the first thing to think about is, does your fat need to be higher?
Yeah. So what makes you think that you need more fat? Is it simply you're doing the calculation and you're trying to follow a certain set of numbers, and you're not getting the results that you want? Or are you getting the results that you want, but you're still trying to figure out your numbers? I would say if you're getting the results that you want and you're in ketosis, I wouldn't be super concerned about the amount of fat that you're getting because you're probably doing something right anyways.
All right, so what happens when you don't eat enough dietary fat is the body simply goes for your fat stores. Now, for that to happen, you need to be in ketosis.
Right.
So as long as you know that you're in ketosis, if you're getting the results you want, don't worry too much about a 10% swing on your fat.
Yeah.
But if you do want to increase, number one, we've been taught to cook without fat, steam it, right? There's all kinds of steam cooking out there. I mean,
Baking.
We learned fat-free methods, right? Baking in parchment paper, baking, using foil, different methods so that you don't have to use fat. So add the fat back into your cooking.
Yep.
I mean, that's really the first tip. So you can cook with MCT oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. Those are my 3 favorite cooking oils. I tend to reserve high-quality olive oil for a drizzle or a salad dressing.
Another one is to stir-fry veggies. There's a lot of great cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and also mushrooms, not cruciferous, but also good for you.
Delicious.
That are really great at soaking up oils when you cook them. So if you stir-fry those veggies, which is just delicious by itself, you can add in some MCT or add in some avocado oil or olive oil and really get that to soak into the vegetables, and that's a great way to consume some more fat.
And then cooking eggs in heavy cream is something that Jeremy's really got into. It makes them very, very creamy.
Yeah, not like whipping the eggs and then putting cream in and whipping the cream into the eggs, like putting the cream in the pan with maybe some oil and then just putting my eggs in on top of that and then mixing it in. Something magical about not mixing it together before you put it in.
Yeah.
It works.
Yeah, he loves it. So what tips do you guys have that you could share with other keto friends on this channel? If you needed to add more fat to your diet, how would you do that? So comment below and let us know.